Good morning. I'm here to demonstrate the SwingStow garage unit. As you can see, we have two large shelves that are 4 feet by 7 feet. Some of them are adjustable, and we have mounting on hinges, and then there's large casters underneath that allow each of the front 4 modules to swing like this. And on the back we have hanging storage here, plus we have shelves here in the core. And then there's one more layer where this one swings as well. Again, with hanging storage on the back and allowing access to these shelves here, along with side access to the core shelves. Now that's only the half of it, because the other side does the same thing. So resetting these back, and now swinging the other side. So we see this one swings around like this. Oops, knock that off. And I'm going to move the camera over here for a better angle. And then this one swings as well. Reveal what's on the back. Now this whole system, if it was placed along the wall linearly, it would be 53 feet of storage. So if you can imagine 53 feet of storage compacted into 13 feet by 8 feet. Now the last thing I want to show you is behind the unit there is storage as well. So we see here that there's items hanging on the back and then things standing up against the wall. So very expansive storage throughout. Thank you for watching.